In this video, we will learn how to use pivot table in Google Sheet. So let's start. This is my Google Sheet. I have here huge data. You can check here 694 rows available in this data. So I want to simplify this data by using the pivot table. I want to check the city-wise cells. So just first select the full data, click on the insert, click on the pivot table. Here you first select the data range. The data range is automatically selected A1 to U695. Now insert to new sheet. Create. Here you add row, city and value cells. That's it. I'm going to check city wise cells. So I just add the city and sum of cell. If you want to check the different, if you want to simplify something using the state wise, cells wise, there is a many all heading available in of your data here. So you can choose the heading and you can see the your simplified data. I just close it and you can see here the city wise cells is simplified by using the pivot table. Hope you understand. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.